Welcome to the second part of the Microsoft Forms tutorial series. This video will focus on viewing responses and reports. In the first part of this series, we created a survey and submitted some responses. Right now, we are looking at the Response tab of the Demo RSVP form, and we can see that there are 4 responses. Click View Results to view each individual submission. On this screen, you can scroll down to view the entire submission. You can use the arrows to scroll through and view each response. As you can see, our survey is set to anonymous. On the Responses tab, you can scroll down to view the summary information for the current responses. To print a summary of this report, click the 3 dots for more options and then select Print Summary. Click the Print button to send the report to your printer. To share this report, click the More Options button and create a summary link. Click the Copy button to save the link into memory. You can now paste it into a web browser or into an email. To share this report in an email, click Insert Hyperlink and paste the address. You can also change the display text to something more readable. You can also download all the responses into one spreadsheet by clicking the link to Open in Excel. If your file opens in Protected View, you may need to click Enable Editing. All of the data collected from our survey is recorded in this spreadsheet. Each response has its own ID number, and you can sort on any column by clicking on the drop-down arrow. If you have test responses that you would like to delete, click More Options and Delete All Responses to clear your survey. This concludes our tutorial on viewing responses in Microsoft Forms. Be sure to check out the next part of our video series on advanced sharing options. Thanks for watching.